CBSE Biology Class 10 Chapter 50 Our Environment Part 2a. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook. Questions are in yellow color, answers are in white color. How harmful chemicals may enter our bodies. An interesting aspect of food chain is how unknowingly some harmful chemicals enter our bodies through the food chain. We know that water gets polluted. One of the reasons is the use of several pesticides and other chemicals to protect our crops from diseases and pests. These chemicals are either washed down into the soil or into the water bodies. From the soil, these are absorbed by the plants along with water and minerals, and from the water bodies, these are taken up by aquatic plants and animals. This is how the ways they enter the food chain and even enter our bodies. What is biological magnification? The chemicals such as pesticides are not biodegradable, and thus these get accumulated progressively at each trophic level. As human beings occupy the top trophic level in any food chain, the maximum concentration of these chemicals get accumulated in our bodies. This phenomenon is known as biological magnification. Why some amount of harmful chemical like pesticide cannot be removed from our food? Due to biological magnification, our food grains such as wheat and rice, vegetables and fruits, and even meat contain varying amounts of pesticide residues. They cannot always be removed by washing or other means. How do our activities affect the environment? Often we forget that we are also an integral part of the environment. Changes in the environment affect us, and our activities change the environment around us. We have already studied that how our activities pollute the environment. What is ozone? State its importance in our environment. Ozone, O3, is a molecule formed by 3 atoms of oxygen, while O2, which we normally refer to as oxygen, is essential for all aerobic forms of life on Earth. Ozone is a deadly poison. However, at the higher levels of the atmosphere, ozone performs an essential function. It shields the surface of the earth from ultraviolet radiation from the sun. This radiation is highly damaging to organisms. For example, it is known to cause skin cancer in human beings. How ozone is formed in our environment? Ozone at the higher levels of the atmosphere is a product of UV radiation. Acting on oxygen O2 molecule, the higher energy UV radiations split apart some molecular oxygen into free oxygen atoms. These atoms then combine with the molecular oxygen to form ozone, O3. Why atmospheric ozone is decreasing? The amount of ozone in the atmosphere began to drop sharply in the 1980s. This decrease has been linked to synthetic chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, which are used as refrigerants and in fire extinguishers. In 1987, the United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP) succeeded in forging an agreement to freeze CFC production at 1986 levels. Write about the waste we generate. Visit any town or city and we are sure to find heaps of garbage all over the place. Visit any place of tourist interest and we are sure to find the place littered with empty food wrappers. It is very essential to find good solution about this problem of dealing with the garbage that we generate. Why there is increase of waste materials? Number 1, improvement in our lifestyle have resulted in greater amounts of waste material generation. Number 2, changes in attitude also have a role to play with more and more things we use becoming disposable. Number 3, changes in packing have resulted in much of our waste becoming non-biodegradable. Definitely there will be very bad impact of these on our environment. End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email. The email is given below. The question answers of this chapter will be continued in next video.